In this video I'm going to show you how to make a reverse reverb effect. I have a MIDI clip with a piano sequence that I'm now going to turn into an audio clip. The quickest way to do this is to add another audio track, freeze the piano clip and copy the frozen clip to the new audio track. In session view, a frozen sample will always be 2 passes. So if you have a 4-bar clip and you freeze it, you will end up with an 8-bar clip. We only need the second pass of this clip, so select the last 4 bars with the start and end marker and crop the file. Now that we have our sample, let's pick out a reverb. In my case I will be using a reverb rack I prepared. It's the Matrix Reverb from Apple with a large hall preset. We want to catch the reverse reverb, so let's reverse that clip. We can capture the sample in the same way we captured the piano sequence. We add another audio track, we freeze the track we want to capture and we copy the file over to the new audio track. With this file you can see why you would use the second pass of a frozen file. It starts off without the reverb because there is no piano sound to kick in the reverb, and if you see at the start of the 5th bar, the reverb from the 4th bar is already added to the 5th bar. If the file clicks while looping, just turn on the fade button, it may help. Now let's reverse the file back to normal and bring back the original piano sequence. That's the basic part of this trick. To get better results, you may want to mix this in the arrangement view, because the reverb introduces a delay, so you will have to shift the files a bit around to get different results. There is no textbook method to define where you go from here, because the results will be different no matter how you shift the file around, and it may sound good or bad depending to your own taste. As you can see, you can get many different results. If you want to do this in the session view, you can move around the start marker, but I'm showing this in arrangement view because it makes more sense to illustrate it like this. And that is how you make a reverse reverb.